What is cybersecurity? If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Cybersecurity protects internet-connected systems like computers, servers, phones, and networks from attacks by hackers, criminals, or automated bots trying to steal data or disrupt operations. It safeguards devices, networks, personal data, passwords, business secrets, and software applications. This protection matters because stolen data leads to scams and financial theft. Company breaches leak customer information and shut down operations, and government systems like power grids or airports can be targeted. Common threats include viruses and malware that damage or spy on systems, phishing emails that trick people into revealing information, ransomware that locks files until payment is made, and data breaches where information is stolen. Key defenses include firewalls that block unwanted traffic, antivirus software that removes malicious programs, encryption that scrambles data, strong passwords with two-factor authentication, and regular updates that patch security vulnerabilities. Real-world applications include online banking, social media, healthcare systems, e-commerce, and national defense systems.